I'm your teacher, Mrs. Lewis, and I want to read to you the night before first grade to you guys on your night or evening before first grade. I am so excited to have you in my class to learn with you this year. Take a minute to read this with you. 'Twas the night before first grade. I kissed my dog Clover. School's starting tomorrow because summer's over. See the girl with the dog. Into my backpack went markers and pens. I hung my new outfit. It matched my friend Jen's. I spoke not a word, but went straight to the shelf, filled up my lunchbox. I made lunch myself. I can't wait to see Jenny, I told my big brother. I hope that our desks are right next to each other. See the thought bubble? They're thinking about sitting together. That night I was nestled all snug in my bed while visions of jungle gyms danced in my head. The next day at breakfast, Dad made such a fuss. What a big girl you are to be taking the bus. Hurry, Penny, said Mom as it turned down our street. Over here, shouted Jenny. I saved you a seat. At school, kindergartners stood outside in the hall. They all looked so young. Were we ever that small? Well, they clung to their parents and hugged Mrs. Sunrise. You two grew so tall, she said with surprise. I bet you guys grew over the summer too. Ding rang the school bell. We made such a clatter as we raced to our classroom. Then Jen said, What's the matter? So you're pointing. The principal told us that some changes were made. We have some new students, so we split the first grade. Hi, Penny, said my teacher. You're in here with me. But yipes, Jenny wasn't. She was in room 33. We waved goodbye sadly and said, See you later. I had to be brave because I'm a first grader. Soon we sat in a circle and we each said our name and then played 20 questions and I won the game. We'll do that same thing, circle time. Mr. Barr's so funny, he tells jokes and he juggles, and our class pet's so cute, it's a bunny named Snuggles. I knew most of the kids except just a few, so I went and said hi to a girl who was new. That's so sweet. We sat side by side and made pictures with noodles. We laughed when we saw we both made noodle poodles. We both have pet turtles and love turquoise blue, and pistachio ice cream is her favorite too. I can't wait to meet you, my best friend, at lunch. I just know that you'll both like each other a bunch. The lunchroom was buzzing, so busy and loud. We sat down at a table. Was Jen in the crowd? When what to my wondering eye, there in line was Jen with a new friend who looked just like mine. Their eyes, how they twinkled behind matching frames. They had curly pigtails and they had rhyming names. It says, I'm Tina. And that one says, I'm Nina. Our new friends were twins, and though school's just begun, I know first grade will be twice as much fun. And I know I'm going to have so much fun with you guys, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow.